Hello everyone, Alex here from the X-Pro, and today finally we are presenting you completed injection molding product, the Tiny Pod. Previous videos we actually explained to you how we started. We actually have one tutorial that's coming up, and this unit has different versions, or this product has different versions. This right now is a V2 and it's completely plastic. V1 is a silicone, and then we're going to have V3, V4 and so on. We took this product from basic idea all the way to manufacturing right now, and we are going to soon order over 1,000 units to be sold. So here, the reason why I placed all these products here is because this is basically the beginning and this is the end. So start and finish. Why we did this? We did this so we can test the mechanism. As you can see here, this unit is basically previous version of this one. So here you can see we have some shafts, and on those shafts we have a pulleys, and on that pulley is going the wheel and so on. So basically we made this low-cost prototype version for testing purposes only. And then we evolved into multiple different versions, very small changes, until we got a final result. And the final result is this. As you can see, everything is injection molded with some plastic and silicone parts. It has a compartment in the back. And when you order the mold with us, you actually get up to 10 free samples. So you order a mold and then we give you the samples at no cost. It's already included in the molding cost, as I mentioned multiple times in the previous videos. And in this case here, we have three completed assembled samples and some parts here separated that I wanted to show you how everything looks like before it's assembled. So in this case, one more thing I want to show you is, for this client we did everything from the concept to manufacturing, and now is going to be also distribution. This small packaging is actually, again, start, and this big one is the finish. So again, we didn't know the size, we didn't know anything, and we were just brainstorming ideas. So we created this at the beginning, and we ended up with this. So as you can see here, it's going to be nice box design, completely created by us. There are two different versions, depends for a light version or for the regular version. As you can see here on the screen, this one, my left hand, it's a plastic. This one is a silicone. They're identical boxes, just different images, and of course the sponge inside is going to be different depending on the size. Here, as I mentioned, this is the end product. You're going to get the box, slide it out, and you're going to get the Tiny Pod. Again, this is not including Apple Watch. Apple Watch you need to buy completely separate. This is just for, this is accessory for the Apple Watch. If you have any questions or any similar project that you would like just to have a consultation with us, we can definitely help you. But just keep in mind, this process took us, I would say, year and a half, from the idea, low-cost prototypes, injection molding, samples, and now manufacturing. Thank you for watching.